They come fast. Never even change this your character. See, this guy won't carry you go meet. Now big boy for this lake. You get me so? If you go there, behave like say you get sense. Because I know normally you no get sense. Jesus. You get me so? In the look for woman when you want marry. Now make I won't carry you go there. You understand me?
Bros, now they make a bit a short time because today back at bad for me. So I find better one. No go fuck me up.
This is not be a shower walk. Not be hookup work and they carry you go so. Okay. I say the guy they look for gay when you want marry. When you want put for house. Now make I won't carry you go. If you go there, do like say you get sense. I don't say you no get sense.
No, yes, I go package. No be me be this.
You go package.
I go deliver.
If I don't see my court, well, like a lie. Choma, if you come back this time, I go open it. I go put this and I go cover your house. You hear me so? Don't go spoil this one for me, oh.
Very sad. Just say go. If I marry, I go package myself where I go deliver.
Do like say you get sense. Do like say you know be a banje gear. If you spoil this work, which I go do, you no go like me. Or they go. Just wear clothes. See your breast. You don't even wear bra. You don't even wear bra. Take that.
Are you married?
The keys. The keys. I'm here.
It's not my man.
Yes.
You told me you were yes.
I'm gonna go. Aga. Hey!
You be mumu.
What's your problem? You want to spoil this work?
Chidi.
How do you say get motor now? People from Lekki, you know the hear word. Shh. It's a shh. Shh. How do you get money? Behave yourself. No spoil this work. No spoil this work. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Come. Kings.
You dey use your function to play.
I beg, no vex say I cannot come out. Okay. You know, say I don't tell many things about you. As I see you, joy, your full heart. So, as I don't tell you before, the girl, like a very nice girl. Very good church girl. As you see her, so she dey go church for our community. You know her. Even for our church. Now where they put Virgin Mary, now our picture there. Now to become a reverend sister, now she won't go do. Now our family say no. No, you must marry. Now I say no, now you must marry her.
I got the advice.
Now you must marry her.
You become my man.
Yes. Okay.
Wow. That's a good one.
Yes. Now God, now they do that for me.
Wow.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm Choma.
Wow. Chioma the church girl, right? Yes. What a sweet melicom. You look extinguished lavishing.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, I'm Mr. Harrison.
Oh, nice to meet you anyways.
So I know that he has told you a lot about me, as he said. Okay. I just came into the town. So I need a girl that I want to make my wife. When I said wife, I mean wife. So he has told me about you, that you fear God, you are well brought up,
Reverend sister.
and I think you're a good match.
Rono.
Thank you.
So, but quick one, I would like to know, because it's very necessary, you know, before you decide to make somebody your wife, you know what the person can offer. So, for someone to make you a wife, what can you really bring to the table?
Bring to the table.
Yeah.
Bros, I sabi knack. I dey knack.
Jesus.
If I ride you, you go reach heaven, you go come back. If I suck your gola, your life will be messy. You see me now.
Hey!
You be mumu.
Imported. Classic. I get juicy toto. If you enter there, your life will change.
Jesus.
Make you go. Make you go do small shop area. Make you test what you want to.
What? Stop this nonsense.
Choma.
Wisdom.
Sir.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Do like this, sir. Do like this. She used to go to church before.
Is that the Choma, the church girl, as you said?
My church.
Your so-called reverend sister. Want to give me short time inside my car? What a shameless. Is that the reason why you bring me out here?
Sorry, sir. Choma,
It's not your fault.
Yes, sir.
If your hand there touch me. Did I tell you I need a shower? I don't blame you.
Sir, Sinoma, she used to be a Sinoma.
Jesus!
Choma!
Jesus!
Choma! You dey mad?
Calm down now.
She just play this work now.
I know business you go be like this. No vex. Calm down first, I beg.
Did they ask you what can you bring to the table? You dey say they bring juicy toto. You dey give round. You won't give a short time for inside motor. For person we won't marry you. Go.
Wetin men dey like to hear be that. Na wetin dey like to dey hear. That one go make am marry me.
You know, they ask you what can you bring to the table. You know me say, what can you bring? What can you bring as a woman? What can you add? What can you support in a relationship? Now what do you mean? You say they do short time. Oh Lord, short.
You never see anything.
That's what you won't pay for now. No matter now.
Is that what me and you discuss?
Now you fuck. If you don't tell me, so now waiting in me be that. If you tell me, now you fuck up now. Oh yeah, call am. She will get number. Call am. Make her reverse to those things right talk.
This evening you will die.